Did you know that your 5TR air conditioning machine has now deteriorated to a 3TR machine and is consuming the same or maybe more power? Did you know inefficient air conditioners affect the well-being of the human beings? Bad or poor indoor air quality makes occupants sick, and it also affects the people and the productivity in offices. Are your building air conditioning equipments and HVAC systems in line with the government green building regulations and standards? Hello and welcome. My name is Yogesh and I specialize in air conditioning and HVAC. And in this video, we are going to discuss about how and why the necessity of air conditioning equipment audit. Air conditioning equipment audit is very necessary not only from the smallest of the air conditioners that we use at the home, which we call as the decorative units, to the biggest of the air conditioning or HVAC plants. So let us discuss how air conditioning equipment audit will benefit you. Well, first of all, air conditioning equipment audits are not about maintenance. It focuses on making your air conditioning equipments work properly and efficiently. So in short, HVAC audits are all about maximizing the energy efficiency and minimizing the energy losses. But this is not the only reason. There is more to it. This is the actual reason for which the air conditioning equipment audit is done. As the HVAC equipments or the air conditioning equipments consume the maximum energy in any building more than any other service or part of the building, the potential of the losses or wastage is much higher. If a building environment that is consistently either very hot or very humid or very cold and plagued by a poor or bad indoor air quality, then obviously it's not going to make the occupants happy, healthy, and productive. HVAC audit helps you in maintaining a good indoor air quality in the building. There are many variables which decide or determine the value of the building or its purchase price. But the status of the HVAC system is also one of the important factors in determining the value of the building, or which determines the value of the building. You might have noticed the government is continuously upgrading the regulations on the energy efficiency of the buildings. These regulations are called as the green building regulations. And most of these are related to the energy efficiency of the buildings and indoor air quality. We have provided you with the link of the green building regulations in the description for your reference. So you can contact us for all your air conditioning needs, including equipment audits, in the running line below on the WhatsApp number, or write to me on my email. So take care of yourself, be healthy, stay safe, and I wish you best of luck and see you in my next video. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you so much.